Long ago, during a time when ancient Ammonites hunted primitive fish, these animals may have been able to get a glimpse above the waves and view a spectacular sight in the night sky. A massive planetary ring system reminiscent of what can be found orbiting Saturn today. This ring system is postulated to have existed around Earth during the Middle Ordovician period, and may have remained for as little as 300,000 years or as much as 40 million years. If confirmed, as suggested in a recent scientific paper being linked on screen and referenced in this video's description, its occurrence could change so many aspects of how we understand ancient Earth. Why this paper did not specify the thickness and appearance of these rings, I took the liberty based on a few assumptions to perform some complex calculations myself. And this is what I got. The ring system at a very minimum measured 150 kilometers or 93.2 miles across, meaning Earth once looked like this. This ring system likely contained several rings that were dominated by larger disintegrating asteroids and existed between 740 and 890 kilometers or 460 to 553 miles above Earth's equator. Also, I want to stress that this figure is very well likely to be an underestimate, so the ring system may have been thicker as well. So, how exactly did these rings form? It is believed that for some reason, around 468 million years ago, a large main belt asteroid, perhaps ranging from between 10.5 to 55 kilometers wide, was knocked out of its orbit, perhaps by a large-scale collision. This caused it to go into the inner solar system where it was captured by Earth gravity. While initially having an oblong orbit, it eventually settled into an orbit which placed it below a key area known as the Roche limit. While dependent on an object's density, the Roche limit is an area above a planet's surface within which gravitational forces will always rip apart an object given a long enough period of time. In this case, due to the asteroid's density, the Roche limit was 9,419 kilometers. As a result, beginning around 467.5 million years ago, the asteroid was ripped apart piece by piece until it formed a large debris field which in turn also broke apart to form a distinctive planetary ring system. Since this placed the entire ring system within the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere known as the exosphere, the drag it created slowly brought these objects closer and closer to Earth until they eventually collided with the planet. This resulted in a cataclysm known as the Ordovician meteor event. To understand this cataclysm, picture this. Looking at the vast size of Arizona's meteor crater, you might be surprised to learn that impact events of a similar energy release occur once every only 6,000 years, although 7/10 THS of these occur in the vast oceans 1,000 times higher than is normal.